Hi student, today we are going to do about UPSR Maths Percentage Exercise Part 2. So from previous question, we know that injects 5 deposit 12,000 into the bank, 5% per annum. How much he received in 6 months? So you just need to use 5 over 100 times 12,000 times half because 6 months is half year only. So you get 300. So now the question changed. Total saving in Pan Sama account after 2 years is 16,537.50 cents. How much does Puan Sama deposit to her account? So for this one, okay, so this I think is the one of the most difficult question UPSR. You need to separate it to 1 and 2 year, correct or not? Means for the second year, the money that I get is because of the 5% of the first year. But I don't know the money 5% of the first year. But I know that 105 over 100 times this money, the X, X is the first year. Supposed to be here, but I haven't do yet. Equals to 16537.50. Okay. So X equals to 16537.5 divide go to here become times 100. Here is times, right? Bring, you just remember lah, bring to here become divide 105 and you try to do this one. Okay, so for this one, it depends on how you want to divide it, okay? Maybe you can it's quite messy here because I divide it by myself. So basically, you should get something like 1575.0.00. So this one, I write here again because I scared it's messy. So I just write this one X, sorry. X supposed to be 16537.5, 16537.5 times 100 over 105. So you should get around 1575.00. Okay, I just do the, how to say, the cut method. Okay, so this one is for the first year money. So now we calculate back to the first year. Again, we use the same method. 105 over 100 times, I put the amount, for example, I put Y. The Y amount, you will get 15750. So Y equals to 15750 times, divide, when you move to that side, it becomes times, okay, times 100 over 105. Then you do, then you will get the answer. The answer will be 15,000 after you do. Okay, can or not? Okay, so okay, so for this question, I think it's very difficult. So I'm going to create one more question, see that it's something similar to this, see whether that you can do or not. So let's say if you put in I say Ali lah, okay, the bank, Maybank interest is 5%. I use back the same amount, 5% per annum, means 1 year. Maybank is 5% per annum. After 2 years, Ali bank, the amount Ali get is, Ali have, I say have lah, have 220 ringgit. RM 220 ringgit 50 cent after 2 years. So the question is, I think I better type, very difficult to write. So I just type, okay. How much money Ali first deposit during the first year? It's the same. See, you can do or not? Same like this one, you need to do second year first, then you do first year. You can try.
Okay.
Okay, so for this one, it is very easy. First thing first, like same, I want to split to the first 1 year and the second year. Just make it a space bigger a bit, so I got more space to write. Second year. Okay, after 2 years, Ali have 220 ringgit 50 cent. Means that 105 over 100 times x, I will get 220.50. But I think shortcut better lah, huh? I think you just remember like this better. Just remember when the question asks something like this, for the second year, just straight away write something like 220.5 times 100 over 105. Just straight away do like this because the amount must be lesser, right? It couldn't be more. The first time the money you put in will be lesser than the amount that you get later. That's why you times 100 over 105, which is the 5 is the percentage. Okay, so let's write this properly. Write the 5. Okay, so you must do this one. So this one divided by 5, you will get 21. This one divided by 5, you will get 20. Right? So maybe this one 21 can be divided by probably 7. I get 3. This one let's try to divide it by 7. So I cut this one, I will get 7 times 3 is 21. 21 here you will get 10, 0. So I times 1, get 7. So I get 35. So I get 5 times 5, 35, get 0. So 31.50 times 20. Of course, you do in the paper, like I do shortcut already, okay? So I just write here another 0. 0 times 2, 0. 5 times 2, 10. 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1, 3. And 3 times 2 is 6. 2 decimal point, 1, 2. 1, 2, 630 divided by 3, correct or not? Because here still got 3. So divided by 3, I will get 210.00. Straight away, go to here again. Straight away, just use 210 times again 100 over 105. So again, I cut, I get 20. Here I get 21. So I divided 21 with this one, I get 10. 10 times 20, I will get 200. So 200 is the first amount that Ali deposit. Can not? Okay, so let's try another question. Abu deposit money into CIMB Bank. The interest rate is 4%. After 2 years, Abu gets 324.48 in a bank account. How much Abu deposit during the first year? This one you can try to do, see whether you can get the answer or not. Okay, so let's us try to do this question for we do the second year first. And then this one will be the first year, correct or not? Because I do this question also quite long. Just do some shortcut a bit. Straight away, we just use 324.48 times 100 over 4%. So 104. So we need to do this manually from now. So 104 I think 104 can be divided by, so I think this one we can divide by 4. So cut this one, divide by 4, I get 2. 24, I get 6. Okay, 6 times 4 is 24. So I get here 26. And this one I divided by 4. So 4 times 8, 32, correct? Now? So by 8, 4 times 1 is 4.12. 81.12. So I think I can divide it by 2 again. So I divided by 2, I get 13. And I divided by 2. So I get 4, 0, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, I divided by 3. I think it's easier divided by 3. Okay. So let's cut this one, cut this one. So divided by 3. Okay, divided by 2. So we'll get 4, 0, 0.5, 10, 12, 6. Okay, 40.56 when divided by 2. And after that, I just do down here, okay, I times it, okay. So 40.56 times 100, I will get 4056 over 13. So let's do this one, 4056 over 13. 4056 divided by 13. So 13 times 3, I will get 39. 5 times 1, I get 13. 26 times 2, 26. So I get 2312. So for the second year is 312. Again, I do the same thing at here. Let me erase this one first. Okay, let's take this one. We need to do at here for the first year. So 312 times 100 over 104 because it's 4%. So let's divide it by probably by 4. You get 2, 6, 26, correct or not? Divided by 4, we will get 7 times 4, 28. 32 times 8, 78. So it will be 7800 divided by 26. Okay, so it depends how you want to do it. Probably I do by divided by 2, I get 13. Okay, so after that I divided by 2. I cannot divide it by 2 anymore, so I just use 3900 divided by 13. I will get 3, 39, 0, 0 go down, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So the answer will be 300 during the first year. So basically, I think a question like this is one of the most toughest question in UPSR because due to the division, you need to do a lot of calculation. The person that create this question is easy because he start from 300, but the person that do is very difficult because he need to do from the divided by 13, divided by 25, something like this. So if UPSR asks you something like this, after 2 years the amount is calculate, I think it is wise to skip this question first. But when you go to Form 1, you don't have this problem because when you take calculator and do, you can, even though you divide 13 or 15, 17, you can get the answer very fast. Only in UPSR, you cannot use calculator. It really takes a lot of time to divide. The table below shows the dividend rate of a unit trust in 2016 and 2017. Mr. Ng invests 20,000 into the unit trust for 2 years without withdrawal. Calculate the total dividend that Mr. Ng will receive. So he put in 20,000. So how much money that he will get? The dividend, not the total. So we need to do the first year. After that, get the amount, and then we do the second year. Okay, so for this question, we need to know in 2016 how much money that he earned. So I just write here 2016. 2016, the money that he earned is probably around, he put in 20,000, right? So I just use 20,000 times 105.5 over 100. Then I will, for 2006, I cut, okay? So I do shortcut a bit lah, but if you cannot, you do on the paper, okay? You get 0, 0, I just put here first, 0, 0, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 2, 10, plus 1, 11, 0 times 2, 0, plus 1, 1, 1 times 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. Move 1 decimal place, move 1 decimal place. So it will be 21100 for 2016. For 2017, again I do the same thing. 21100 times, you can see here is 6%. So I times 6%, 106 over 100. Okay, again, I cut this one, cut. So it will be 211 times 106. So 1 times 6, 6, 1 times 6, 6, 2 times 6, 12, 0 I put here, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 1, 2. So I get 6, 6, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 6, 6. Okay, so I just put here 2, 2, 3, 6, 6 for 2017. So this is the money that is in the bank, 22366. But let's put here the line. But he asked me how much dividend. So I need to use 22366 minus what? Minus the money that Mr. Ng invest, which is actually 20,000. So minus 20,000, I will get 6632. So the final answer will be 2366, the amount that dividend that Mr. Ng get. So that's it for this video. I teach until here. See you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.